It just got easier to turn your host party into their launch party with the party flipping feature. There are 2 ways your host can join your team. They can join the traditional way by enrolling through your personal website, or they can use their host credits toward the purchase of a host-exclusive starter kit. No matter how they choose to join, their party is eligible to be flipped. To do this, enter the party order as you normally would, and be careful to enter complete, accurate customer data. All guest information will be transferred into your host's Contacts tab. Most importantly, the host's email address associated with the party must match the email address they use when they enroll. This is their unique identifier, ensuring they receive the correct party and PRV. If your host enrolls through your personal website, simply complete the order for their party. You will know they have successfully enrolled if you see a notification on the party page in your workstation. Select the option to flip this party. Note that the PRV eligible to flip may differ from the total PRV. We are not able to transfer PWS order information with the party flipping feature. Although this PRV cannot be flipped with the party, it does count toward host rewards. Once you confirm that you want to flip the party, you will receive a notification that the party has been successfully flipped to your host. The party will then be reflected on your new team member's workstation. If your host takes advantage of the Earn a Kit option, add the host-exclusive starter kit to their order using their host credits. They will receive an email to complete their enrollment. This must be done prior to closing the party. Once you receive the notification that your host has a pending enrollment, continue to flip the party and close it. And that's it. Congratulations on enrolling your newest team member. Keep in mind, 1. The host must enroll while the party is open. They cannot enroll before the party starts or after it closes. 2. Their email address must match the address they gave you when you set up the party. 3. Consultant support will no longer have the ability to flip parties manually. Please follow the correct process for flipping parties through your workstation. If you have any questions, please read the frequently asked questions in your workstation or contact consultant support.